How to move the Start menu back to the left in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to ITNEXT channel. I've been getting a lot of questions from you about Windows 11, and today we're addressing a common one: how to move the Start menu back to the left side of the screen. If you're feeling a bit disoriented with the new layout, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, click on the Start button to open the Start menu. From there, click on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Personalization on the left sidebar. Click on it to access the personalization settings. Now, in the Personalization menu, find and click on Taskbar on the left sidebar. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Scroll down until you find the option that says Taskbar Alignment. By default, it's set to center. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Left. Once you've selected Left, you should immediately see the Start menu move back to the left side of your screen. Take a moment to confirm that it's where you want it. While you're here, feel free to explore other taskbar settings to customize your experience further. You can adjust icon behaviors, enable or disable the new taskbar features, and more. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to move the Start menu back to the left in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, and drop any other questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.